It's Monday. It's lovely to see you. I hope you had a good weekend. And today we're talking about Twitter because all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So Jack grows a preacher's beard, buys magic internet money and decides Bitcoin will be the native currency of the internet. Now, if Jack is Bitcoin's dark knight, then Twitter is his Joker. And like the purple one himself, things just got serious. We've all been so preoccupied with ripping up and replacing legacy centralized mechanisms, we never stop to think what would happen if they decided to join the party. Well, wonder no more, because this Monday's Quick Take is all about Twitter's massive blockchain flex. But before we dive into the social network everybody's heard of, let's hear from a couple of projects you might not have done, at least not yet. Anyway, do you want to get actionable insights and find new investment opportunities before everyone else? Nansen is a blockchain analytics platform tracking more than 100 million wallet addresses, making informed decisions on your yield farming and investments through dashboards like hot contracts, smart money, and NFT paradise. See who is aped into an NFT collection or farm and look into the behavior of money as it flows on-chain. Sign up now at nansen.ai and become a smarter investor today. Polymarket is the leading information markets platform where you can trade on the most hotly debated topics, whether it's politics, coronavirus, current events, or whether Gazimov will be wearing a roll-neck turtleneck thing today. All on the blockchain. With over $140 million traded on the platform, Polymarket is the go-to place to settle the biggest debates of the day. Gazimov is not wearing a turtleneck today, but tomorrow, who knows? For a limited time, sign up with referral code QUICKTAKE to get reimbursed up to $100 on your first day of trading. Go to the description and click on the link to get started. polymarket.co/QuickTake. It's no secret that Jack Dorsey is a fan of Bitcoin. It is his belief that the most famous cryptocurrency will unite a deeply divided country. And if anyone else came out with similar vapid claptrap, you'd probably laugh. Let's be honest. The idea that Bitcoin can tackle racism, gender equality, the wealth gap, and how bad my underarm hair is, etc., etc. But let's get straight to the hard facts. Second quarter of this year, Twitter had 206 million monetizable daily active users worldwide. Daily active users. But add to this that Jack also founded Square, a payment processor with a net revenue of $9.6 billion in 2020, and you start to see the bigger picture here. But hold the front door, there's more. That is just the backstory. The meat in this Jack snack comes in the form of TBD, an open developer platform with the sole goal of making it easy to create non-custodial, permissionless, and decentralized financial services, which will go alongside their proposed Bitcoin hardware wallet. But unlike so many companies that pay lip service to decentralized tech without ever actually committing to it, Jack and Twitter delivered. And they delivered in a really surprising way. Bitcoin micropayments, the thing that Bitcoin has supposedly been totally and utterly shit at. Now, 4 days ago, Twitter rolled out their tips feature, allowing users to instantly support their favorite influencing social success stories. And yes, you can tip with Bitcoin using the Lightning Network, using Strike. But that is
just a tip.
Now, Twitter is now teasing new initiatives designed to enrich the experience of users on the platform, with a particular focus on spaces and NFTs. Now, Twitter says it will soon be exploring support for NFT authentication. This would allow NFT creators to connect their crypto wallets to Twitter to verify ownership of their NFTs, which could, of course, be their avatar, effectively becoming a blue checkmark for their digital self. NameTag already allows users to integrate NFTs with their Twitter profile, but it relies on other users having the Google extension connected. Alongside that, Wall ID already allows you to create a verifiable version of your favorite PFP with an on-chain certificate, and that looks like this. And yeah, it doesn't look great, does it? But if all this is built natively into Twitter, then, well, you know, inertia and all that. But yes, I know what you are thinking. This is Twitter. This is Web 2, one of the most successful server-based social platforms ever. The same platform that banned Trump, and they could ban you too if they felt like it. You see the problem here? If you can flick a switch and reach an audience of 200 million, that is a very powerful tool. But until Twitter itself becomes decentralized, then aren't we just perpetuating the same models of control and, of course, centralization, albeit with a nice sugary coating on top? Now, it might well be that this particular battle is already lost. Block 1 tried with voice, but gave up less than a year later, promising to pivot to NFTs because, well, you know, NFTs got hot and they kind of wanted a piece of that. But where is it now, Brendan?
Where did it all go?
Now, Arbor also trying, but launching a new social platform to compete with Twitter just feels like tilting at windmills. My humble opinion, whatever the future of social media is, it's lurking somewhere in the metaverse right now, and it won't be going anywhere near Twitter. And if you're interested in getting a good foundation on the metaverse, our 101 film is now properly tagged and linked up on the channel. And I'm hoping I did justice to the top quality thinking it's drawn from, so do check that out. We've also put the link to the actual presentation itself so you can watch the videos that just did not work during the stream, which sucked, but that's live for you. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Stay safe out there. And there's a little bell down here somewhere. If you hit it, nothing will happen. You might get a big ding sound. You probably won't. But if not, have a great week. I will see you on the next one. Peace!